Today I will teach you how to draw peas. Grab your pencil and follow along. Start by drawing a curvy, pointed shape in the middle of the paper. Add a line in the middle of the shape, like so. Add another line beside that one. Add a stem on top, with another stem next to it. From the second stem, draw another curvy and pointed shape. Add a swirly line to the stem, like so. Add semicircular shapes inside the first shape. Add 3 peas on the left. Finally, add color to the drawing using different shades of green. For more Drawing Factory tutorials, like and subscribe.